Good afternoon, everyone. I got an unboxing video of a Godzilla X Kong: The New Empire. This one is Godzilla Evolve, 6-inch one. This one also has the warning choke hazard, small parts, not for children under 3. The bottom here it says a 4+ Toho, legendary, and by the Playmates toy company. This is Godzilla Evolved. We're doing a little unboxing here. Just check out the backs. The sides are just the same thing like the other ones. The crystals and the Godzilla and Kong. But I was saying here, it says Godzilla and Kong. Godzilla and Kong return all new adventures, pitting the mighty Kong and the fearsome Godzilla against the colossal, undiscovered threat within our own world, challenging their very existence and our own. Godzilla Evolved. Godzilla has evolved in an all-new form. Now a faster, stronger, and more powerful Godzilla thunders into battle with a supercharged heat ray and city-destroying tail swipe. And there's Godzilla, heat wave, fully infractionated and posable. Here's the different ones here. We have that one. That's actually, we don't have that one. Wait, that might be this. Why is it blue though? Is that the skin one? No? It might be the skin one. That Kong. I don't have that Kong. Actually, that must actually the same. That's a different one. I don't have those two, but I have that one, and I don't have that one or that one. So we are going to be looking for those two and these two. This one here is different set than the other ones I have. So check it out, guys. I definitely want one of Shimu. Okay, let's check it out, guys. There's the tail separated there. It's same thing like the other Godzillas there. So anyway, so the Godzilla Evolved. Let's get her open, guys. Everything. So actually, this one has the plastic on it. So this is going to be a little harder to open, I think, maybe. And they got the back end plastic, whatnot. So anyways, let's get her open. Let's get the trusty old scissors out. We're going to cut that right there. And there we go. That one snapped pretty easy. So I don't see no feet. His feet are tied down on that side. Yeah, let's try to get the tail out first if we can. That might help a little easier. Get the little plastic here, a little plastic there. So it looks like, oh, there is his tail. Same like the other one has a little like hole there. Okay, say his tail there. Ooh, a little heat ray right there. Inside there. Can't wait to get that out. So let's see how we're going to get this one out. It's kind of a little hard to see this one. Okay, I can move him this way. So I can get in there. Free Godzilla, come on. Well, it looks like it's not want to cut open. Well, let's put it down a little bit. Well, I gotta go through a new strategy with this dude. It looks like this one we're not going to be saving because the tape is in there, so I'm just going to pull it out. Anyways, you got to pull it out to get to the heat ray, so let's go ahead and do that one. Don't know what that noise was, but oh well. I'll check it out after I get done with this there. So here's the plastic for that, whatnot. So yeah, here's the heat ray, Godzilla heat ray. Let's put him back over there. We We'll put the fruit right here. Sorry, I got guests at my house right now, and they decided to be moving around every time I do my video. Oh, sorry for the light. My light broke. I broke, but fell off my deal. Sorry about that, Godzilla and people. You never know what's going to happen here. Let's set Godzilla down here. We're going to put this on the side. And we're going to check inside here, see if there's anything extra. Oh, they didn't put no tape on this either. Put no tape on. Oh, actually, they did. There it is right there. Yep, nothing new on there. There's the bottom part of that. Here, put this by the door over there, will you? Yeah, have fun. Sorry, my guest is on there talking. They know I was on the recording here. He'll be on video now. Or whatnot. There's video now. I got up here. I got do here. Everybody decides to come in here at the same time. And I'm trying to do my little video here, and I can't cut it out and whatnot. And it's almost done if you wait. And I'll be here. Oh, it's almost done. And then, sorry for everybody who comes in at once when I'm recording. Let's get the tail on. This is going to be a little harder like the other ones. I think I got it on. I think I got them on there. So the tail is on. So this one here, the feet moves. Feet moves. His arms move. His arms move. The legs move. His head, his mouth moves. So there's the involved Godzilla right there. There he is, the 6-inch involved Godzilla. Let's see if we can get the heat blast in here. I think it goes. I think it goes like that. I think. See if I can figure out how this goes. So maybe it goes that way. But doesn't. It looks like it should go this way because it looks like it's. Then again, it might be coming out this way because since. Yeah, there it goes. That's how it goes. I guess apparently. You can put them down like that. So anyway, so this is Godzilla. The evolved form. I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry again for all the noise. And I couldn't stop this because I shoot straight through when I do my open. I can't unopen it. Have a good one, guys.